In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the list view in Jira, which is a helpful tool for managing your projects in a streamlined, linear fashion. Let's dive in and explore how you can navigate and utilize this feature effectively. To get started, you'll need to access the list view in Jira by navigating to your specific project within the platform. If you're not already on your desired project's page, make sure to select it from your dashboard. Once you're on your project's page, look towards the top of your screen. There, in the top navigation menu, you'll find an option labeled List. Clicking on this will seamlessly switch you over from whichever view you're currently using, like the Kanban or Scrum boards. Understanding what you see is crucial for making the most out of this feature. The list view is designed to display all project issues in a single, continuous, scrollable list. This panoramic view allows you to quickly scan through everything related to your project without having to switch between multiple viewing modes. It's a clean, no-fuss approach to reviewing your workload. One of its standout features is the support it offers for sorting and filtering based on various fields. This is particularly handy for honing in on specific issues or tasks without having to sift through the entire project. You can sort by priority, status, or assignee, just to name a few options. A big advantage of the list view is its simplicity and ease of use, especially for teams that prefer a linear approach to managing work rather than a board-centric model. It's perfect for teams that work well with a straightforward list and don't require the visual representation that boards offer. Now, let's talk about the hands-on work you can do within the list view. Not only can you manage existing issues, but you can also efficiently add new issues right then and there. If you need to make changes to current tasks, you're able to edit the details directly within this view. Plus, you can delve into issue specifics without having to navigate away, ensuring you always have the context you need at your fingertips. Be sure to take advantage of sorting and filtering options to customize your list and arrange it to best suit your team's needs and workflow. This will help you maintain focus and prioritize tasks effectively. You might be wondering, when is the best time to stick with the list view? It's ideally suited for teams who don't find boards necessary or are simply looking for a more straightforward method to manage their tasks and bugs. If what you need is a quick and uncomplicated way to view and oversee issues in a linear format, the list view is your go-to solution. There you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to using the list view in Jira. I hope this makes your project management smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out.